Hi children, welcome back to online class. So in this session, discussion about the some important topic about the which one chapter 5. Okay, so I don't tell that chapter. I discussion about the something. Okay, so in children you see that some you see the materials things. Okay, so you see desk is there no already you know that. Okay, door is there. Okay, so one room is there. Okay, so for example, so most example for the one of the blackboard, which shape is there children? So blackboard is the one of the quadrilateral. Okay, quadrilateral is nothing but this is one of the rectangle shape is there. Okay, desk, which shape is there? That also one of the rectangle. Okay, so sometimes is there no, that is which shape is there? Square shape is there. Okay children, but what is rectangle? You know rectangles only opposite sides are equal means that is the rectangle. So rectangle is four sides is there. Okay, four angle is there, four vertices is there. Means nothing but four sides is also called as the rectangle is a closed figure, one of the quadrilateral having four sides, four angles, four vertices is also called as rectangle. Okay, what is square? Square is closed figure. So in all sides are equal. Is also called as square, children. But in this session, studied about the don't discuss about the four sides. Okay, only discussion about the three sides having the closed figures like which one? Which one figure? That figure? Say that children. What is the triangles? Okay, which was the topic is triangles. Triangles is a closed figure, three sides, three angles, three vertices is also called as triangles. Tri means how many? Three. Three sides having the closed figures is also called as triangle. Okay children. So the sum of the, so you write the triangle definition. I say, so triangle is a closed figure, three sides, three vertices, three angles is also called as triangle. Okay, the sum of the angle of the triangle is, so second point, the sum of the angle of the triangle is how many? 180 degree. But how to come 180 degree? So you see children, in triangle how many sides is there? A, B, C. Okay, how many sides? 1, 2, 3. Three sides is there. N is equal to how many? Sides is nothing but small letter m. Number of the sides. Okay, 3. So already you know n minus 2 into 180 degree. This is the formula. We should find out the sum of the angles like polygons. Okay. So n is how many is there? 3 minus 2 into 180 degree is equal to 3 minus 2. How many? 1 into 180 degree. Okay children. So 18 over the 80. Okay. So 0 we should write 180 degree. The sum of the angle of the interior angle of the triangle is how many? 180 degree. Okay children. So the sum of the angle of the quadrilateral is how many quadrilaterals are? Quadrilateral how many? How many? You don't know. So you should write. So some parallelogram A, B, C, D. How many sides is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many sides is there? 4 sides. You should number of the sides is equal to 4. You should write the formula n minus 2 into 180. How many you put n value? How many is there? 9. Sorry, 4. 4 minus 2 into 180. Okay. Here 4 minus 2 into 180. How many? 82 is 36. 0 you should put here. pentagon, how many sides is having? So they are pentagon. A, B, C, D, E. How many sides having? Having total 1, 2, 3, 4. N is equal to how many? N is equal to 5. N minus 2 into 180 degree. N is 5 minus 2 into 180 degree is equal to 3 into 180 degree. 18 is a 54. 540 degree. 0 as it is right. 540 degree. This is the angle, some properties for the triangle, quadrilateral and pentagon. Okay children, are you understood? The sum of the area of the, so the area of the triangle is, what is now next? The area of the triangle. What is the? Off into base into height. You should take, this is, you should cut the triangle, means how many is coming? Off into base. This is a base. So this is the base and into height. This is off into base into height. Okay children, have you got it? Now next we shall go to the types of the triangle. Types of the, in children, according to the size and according to the angles. So types are classification of the angle. Classification of the triangle. Classification of the triangle according to the sides and according to the angle. According to the angles. In according to the sides, how many triangles is there? There are 3 triangles there. First one is equilateral triangle. Second one is isosceles triangle. Third one is scalene triangle. First one is equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, scalene triangle. According to the angles, there are 3 types: equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle and scalene triangle. What is equilateral triangle? So all sides are equal. By means, this is take A, B, C. This is 4, this is 4, this is 4. 4 centimeter. Each line is having 4 centimeter. Is called as equilateral. So in 2 lines are equal. So isosceles. This and this equal, but not equal to the this line. Okay. So this is the isosceles triangle. This all sides are different. You see, right? Don't confuse. 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter. Okay. This is 2 centimeter. This is 2 centimeter. This is 3.2 centimeter. Okay. One side is not equal. This is A, B, C. This is 3 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. Okay. So this is the triangle having 4 sides are different. It's called as scalene triangle. Now next, according to the angles. Which angle is that? First is acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle. And complementary, supplementary angle is that, and reflex angle is that. So first divided into this acute angle, acute angle, triangle. Second one is acute angle, triangle, and obtuse angle, triangle. Obtuse angle, triangle, and right angle, triangle. children. So in acute angle triangle, what is acute angle triangle means? The angle, the only one angle which represent acute angle. For example, 45 degree. What is acute angle? The angle which measures more than 0 degree, less than 90 degree. So in 0 to up to 1 to 89 is the acute only. You should take 50 degree. Only one angle is there means 45 degree is the right angle triangle. Okay. Now next, obtuse angle triangle. You should take any obtuse angle. Okay. So only one means so right angle means this is 45 degree. A, B, C. Okay, children. So here obtuse angle, which only one angle is obtuse angle. This is 150 degree. This is P, Q, R. Okay. So what is obtuse? The angle which measures more than 90 degree, less than 180 degree. It's called as obtuse angle. Now next, right angle triangle. So angle, only one angle which represent exact 90 degree is called as right angle triangle. Okay. Right. Only you should write the this type. X, M, N. Okay. This is the classification of the triangles. Now next, we shall go to the which one is that? This is the introduction for the triangles. Okay. So in congruency of a triangles. So we should take any figures in triangles. So in same shape and same size is called as the congruency of the triangle. Same shape and same size. You see, I will erase this one. Congruency of a triangle. Congruency means what? Congruent. Means same shape, and same size. Same shape and same size is called the congruency of the figure. Okay. You should take examples. This is the congruency. This is one of the congruency. Okay, children, are you understood the congruency of the figure? You see the some figure is there. Should congruency means we should compare to the angles. Congruency, we should give the name. So A, B, C, D, P, Q, R, S, M, N, O, P, Q, R. In give the names. Okay, should compare to the congruency means I will write next page examples. Okay. You see figure. We should take the triangle ABC and triangle PQR. We should take figure. You see drawing A, B, C. Here 4.5 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter. But this is drawing in vice versa. P, Q, R. But same shape and same size, but we should write in vice versa. This is 5 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter. This is 4.5 centimeter. You see which one is congruent? AB congruent, side AB congruent PQ and BC congruent triangle ABC congruent. This is the congruent. This is symbol for the congruency. This is PQR, triangle PQR. You should write the angles. Angle A is equal to, so where angle P is equal to angle A, and angle B is equal to angle Q, and angle R is equal to angle C. This is the angle of the triangles. Okay. Next, sides is that this is the angle. Sides AB is equal to PQ. Sides and AB is equal to PQ and BC is equal to RQ, and which one is AC is equal to RP. This is the sides of the triangle. Next, vertices. This is the sides. Sides is nothing but arms. This is the angles. Okay. Next, which one? Vertices. A is equal to P and Q is equal to B is equal to Q, and R is equal to C is equal to R. This is the CPCT. CPCT is means that congruent triangles corresponding point. What is means CPCT? CPCT, corresponding part of congruent triangle, triangles corresponding points. CPCT. Expand. CPCT means congruent corresponding part of congruent triangles. So this is confused with that corresponding part of congruent and red. Corresponding part of congruency triangles. CPCT expand form. Corresponding part of congruent triangles. Okay, children. Now next we shall go to the criteria for congruency of triangles. So criteria for congruency of a triangle, we should take the right angle triangle and compare to the equilateral triangle. Okay. You should take the, now next we shall move to the which one is criteria for the triangle. I will erase this. Criteria for congruency of triangle. You know, children, already discussion about that. So in congruency means same shape and same size. Okay, but congruency, this is a discussion about the congruency. We should draw the right angle triangle. This is right angle triangle. We should give the name A, B, C. This is 1.8 centimeter. This is 2.4 centimeter. According to the sides, this is 3 centimeter. This is, you should take the equilateral triangle. So all sides are equal. C, E, F, D. Okay, children. This is they are congruent. This in both figures also congruent. This is right angle triangle. This is equilateral triangle. Equilateral means we should all sides are equal. This is not a congruent. Why? Because this is right angle triangle. This is equilateral triangle. Okay, children. This is not a congruent. This is not a congruent. in triangle, this is 50 degree. Give the name A, B, C, and this is Q or P. Okay, children, you see the angle P is equal to angle Q is equal to how many degree? 50 degree. Isn't it? This is the congruent. Yes, this is the congruent. Congruent. Okay, children, in both triangles or in equal sides or equal length is also called as congruent. Okay, children. So you see the children triangle. How to write in congruency form? So in triangle ABC, congruent triangle PQR. Okay. Why? Because this is not a congruency, means this is one of the right angle triangle. Okay, this is one of the equilateral triangle. Otherwise, this is not a congruent. But in both the triangles also acute angle triangle. Otherwise, it is a congruent. So in triangle ABC, congruent triangle PQR. Okay, children. Now next move to the axiom 5.1. Okay. So in axiom 1 is there and theorem is there. Okay, children. Now next move to the axiom 5.1. Are you understood? Congruent and non-congruent. So in same angles or same sides is there now, means that is the congruent. Not same means that is the not congruent. Non-congruence. Okay, children. Okay. Let's now move to the which one? Axiom 5.1. Axiom 5.1. SAS. Sides SAS means sides, side, angle, side. Side, angle, side, congruence. Means side, angle, side, congruency rule. Congruency rule. Two triangles. So you should compare to the congruency, means only one compared to you. No, you should compare to the two person. You should compare to the two triangles. You should compare to the two things. Okay. So two triangles are congruent. What is that statement? Two triangles are congruent. Two triangles are congruent if two sides are already you know sides, two sides and the included angles. Sides also coming, means angles also coming. So angle of one triangle are equal to the two sides and the included angle of the other triangle. This is for the axiom 5.1 statement. What is that related to the SAS? Means two sides, only one angles. We should compare to the, so in only right angle triangle to the compare to the two sides. So two triangles are congruent. Two triangles is congruent means equal angles. So two triangles are congruent if two sides and the included angles of one triangle are equal. both to the two sides and the included angle of the other triangle. Okay children, this is the statement. Okay, now next you see solution. So figure, you should draw the figure. So answer is coming with, now next coming in the figure. A, O, B, this is compared to the, this one and this one equal, and C, D, this one and this one equal. So in figure, solution, in figure, which figure? So in A, O, D, one triangle, and C, O, B, another triangle. They are having two triangles there. So compared to the two triangles. Okay. So OA is equal to OB. AO is equal to OB, and OD is equal to OC. What is the reason? First one is triangle AOD. AOD is equal to triangle BOC. Triangle BOC. Next, second one. You should solve that. Proof. AD parallel is equal to BC. This only prove that. Okay. Already you know OA is equal to OB. This is proof. OA is equal to OB. Coming in only straight line. And CO is equal to OD. This is the given. Okay. Now next, angle AOD. Where is that? AOD and is equal to angle COB. Is the vertically opposite angles. Okay children, I am writing chart form. In angle OD AOD is equal to angle COB, triangle AOD congruent triangle BOC. Okay, this is by the which one? SAS congruency. Which congruency? SAS congruency. Side angle side congruency. Now next, second one. Which one is that? This is the proof for first. Second one, proof for second. Which one is the second? Triangle congruency of a triangle AOD is equal to and BOC. Congruency of a triangle BOC. The corresponding part are also equal. Okay. In triangle CP, corresponding part of congruent triangle. Okay. OAB OAD is equal to angle OBC. Okay children, this is the pair of alternate angles. Which one? Pair of alternate angles. Okay children, pair of alternate angles. This is the only compared to the two triangles. Okay. Now next, therefore AB parallel to BC is the proof. Okay. We will compare to the only two sides and only one angles. Okay. Now next we shall move to the depend upon the example is there. We should copy your notes children. Example 2. We should copy your notes. What is that? Is that AB is a line segment. We should draw the L is the line segment and line L is the perpendicular bisector if a point P lies on L, so that P is equidistant from A and B. So if compared to the one triangle to another, means we should middle line is coming now. So otherwise triangle is cut into the two bisector of the triangle. Otherwise, so this is bisector is coming means this is the angle is 90 degree. Therefore, corresponding sides of congruency of a triangle is that you should copy it for the your notes, children. Okay, shall we move the next? Which one is angle side? I will write the side angle side. So in depend upon the one theorem is there. What is that theorem? Theorem 5.1 congruency rule. Okay, which one that? Congruency rule. What is that theorem? So you should write that theorem congruency for the rule. First one axiom, next one shall move to the theorem. So in this theorem, so first one is which one theorem? Angle side, angle side, angle theorem. ASA theorem. So they are having statement is there, figure is there, to prove is there, proof is there. Okay. Next so three cases is there, children. How many cases? Three cases is there. So first we should write the statement. Theorem 5.1 ASA congruency rule. Congruency already you know. Okay, same shape and same size. Congruency rule. Theorem congruency rule depend upon the ASA angle side angle. Okay, statement two triangle. You should compare to the only one triangle? No, you should compare to the two triangles. Two triangle or congruent if two angles and the included sides. So angle is coming means sides also coming or vertices also coming of one triangle are equal to two angles. And the included side of other triangle. This is the statement. Two triangles are congruent means same size and same shape if two angles. So angle A and angle B angles and the included sides of one triangle are equal to the two angles. Okay, and the included side of other triangle. So first we should draw the two triangles. We should draw triangle A, B, C. D, E, F. Okay, children. First, shall we move in given two triangles? Proof. They are how many triangles is that? They are two triangles there. Two triangle. Each one that say that triangle ABC and triangle ABC and DEF. So angle P is equal to angle E, angle C is equal to angle F, and angle A is equal to angle G. Okay, only compared to angles, no? Okay, only one side. BC is equal to EF. Say this is two angles. This is one side. Okay, children. Therefore, triangle ABC congruent triangle. Which one is that? DEF. Okay. Now next move to the case 1 and case 2 and case 3 is there. Okay. So there are 3 cases is there. Okay. So first case. First case and second case and third case. 3 cases is there. Case 1. Children, this is the case 1. You should draw the figure. Okay. A, B, C and D, E, F. Okay. So here ABC. So let AB is equal to DE. Okay, children. Which one is? What is that? So sides of the triangle. This is the sides of the triangle. We should write the reason. Sides of the triangle. AB is equal to DE. AB is equal to DE. DE. You only assume that. Assume. Okay. Angle B is equal to which one? Angle E. Okay. Angle B is equal to, that is the, what is that? This is the given. That only in statement also given. Next, BC is equal to EF. That is the base of the triangle. That also given. Okay, children. Now next, triangle ABC congruent triangle DEF. You see, children, 2. So this is the base of the triangle BC and EF. This is the angle and side of the triangle. Okay. So by which one is that? By SAS. So there you see the 2 sides. This one sides and this one side. 2 sides and only one angle. This is by SAS congruency. Okay, children. Now let's move to the in case 2. Case 2. So you should draw the first figure. Case 2. A, B, C. One extra construction is there. You should give the name P. This is equal to the your D, E, F. Okay, children, is equal to. You should write that. Let possible AB greater than D. Where is that? AB greater than D, E. Take a point. Which point is taken? Extra construction. Point P. Take a point P on which triangle? On AB. Such that PB is equal to what? The PB is equal to D. So you should see the children. This is one of the triangle. PB is equal to DE. What is this? Sides of the triangle. Sides of the triangle. Triangle diagonals. So you should the triangle is cut into the two triangles. This is the PBC compared to the DEF. Okay. Therefore, in triangle PBC and triangle PBC and triangle DEF compared to that, PB is equal to DE compare, and angle B is equal to, therefore common, angle B is equal to angle E, and BC is equal to EF. Write the reason. Which one? This is by construction. What is this? This is given. Okay. Which one is triangle? Triangle PBC congruent triangle DEF is equal to SAS congruency. Now next move to the third one. Which one is that? Case 2. This is okay congruency, but still balance is there. In corresponding part of the CPCT, corresponding part of congruency of a triangle PCB is equal to triangle DEF, because CPCT corresponding part of congruency of a triangle is therefore triangle ACB is equal to triangle DEF, that is given. The angle ACB is equal to triangle PCB. ACB is equal to PCB. Okay. So this is possible. P is coincide means inside is that P point with BA is equal to ED. BA is equal to ED. Okay. Next triangle ABC is equal to congruent of triangle DEF. Only one extra point is there. So AP and PB is coming in only one straight line children. By which congruency? SAS congruency. Okay. Now let's move to the which one? Case 3. I will erase this all. Case 3. Case 3. AB greater than D. Okay, children. The point M. We should take the point M and DE. So here. So you should draw the triangle A, B, C, and you should draw the triangle. Which one? D, E, F. We should cut in triangle M. Okay. M, E. We should consider here. M. Okay. Quite M. So here. Okay, children. So which one? AB greater than DE. So otherwise, so in midpoint is coming M. Okay. So in repeating, assume that case 2 only. Okay. Therefore, this also AB is equal to DE. Therefore, triangle ABC congruent. Okay, as it is case 2, triangle DEF is the proof. Okay, children. Now next, so the sum of the angle of the triangle is already 180 degree. So in AAS congruency rule, two triangles are congruency rule. Now next we shall move to the children, which one? Example 3. Okay children, so example 3, you see, line segment AB is parallel to the another line segment. Okay, line segment AB, where is that? AB parallel to the CD. O is the midpoint of AD. Show that triangle AOB congruent triangle DOC is also the midpoint of BC. Okay children, you do the notes. This is for the homework. Okay, with this one and example 2. Okay, homework example 2 and example 3. You should copy it for the example 2 and example 3. You should copy it for your notes. Okay children, all problem is also there in your book. You should copy this. Okay, example 2 and example 3 both also. You should copy your notes neatly. Okay children, tomorrow discussion about the exercise 5.1. Okay, some more problem is there. Total 5 problems, 6, 7, 8 problem is there. Tomorrow I will solve the problems. Thank you children.